In 1963, a mathematician named Stanislaw Ulam was sitting in a boring meeting. He started doodling. He wrote the number 1 in the center of a grid. Then he spiraled outward, 2, 3, 4, 5, wrapping around and around. Then he circled every prime number. He expected randomness. Primes are supposed to be unpredictable. They thin out as numbers grow larger, appearing without any obvious pattern to where they fall. But instead, he saw lines, diagonal lines, running across the entire grid. Primes clustering where nothing said they should cluster. He checked his work. He hadn't made an error. He showed it to colleagues. They checked his work too. No error. What you're seeing now is that same spiral, extended far beyond what Ulam could draw by hand. Hundreds of thousands of numbers. Each teal point is a prime. The lines are still there. Mathematicians have studied this for 60 years. We can describe the pattern. We can predict it, partially, using tools from number theory, but we cannot fully explain why the diagonal structure appears at all. The primes know something we don't. Or maybe they don't know anything, and the structure is just a consequence of arithmetic so deep we haven't found the words for it yet. Either way, it's there. Something ancient is hiding inside the counting numbers, something that was always there, from the very first time anyone counted to 2. The universe runs on mathematics, and mathematics, apparently, runs on secrets. The Ulam spiral isn't a curiosity. It's a window, a reminder that the world contains more structure than we know how to see. That discovery doesn't always come from asking the right question. Sometimes it comes from doodling in a meeting, looking at what you made, and realizing you don't understand it. I'm Gladys. If this stayed with you, a like and subscribe helps more than you know. I'll see you in the next one.